Hello, you guys. How are you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in my own kitchen. How are you doing? We thank the Lord. You're all welcome. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Abimbola. I bake, I cook, and we decorate cakes. So, thank you for staying tuned. Today, we're going to be making a butter cookies butter cookies. So that is what we're going to be making today. Look how nice and how good it looks. It's a thing that you can easily, okay? So come with me. Let's make butter cookies together. God bless you. For our butter cookies, we are going to be using soft butter. Your butter should be in the house. Your butter should be in a room temperature, very soft. Look at, you can press down on it. So this is what we're going to be using, and this is 120 gram of unsalted butter. So lifting it into my bowl. No butter must waste. So I'm having a fine sugar here that is for 60 gram of fine sugar. That is your sugar that is well blended. So I'm going to be mixing everything together until well combined. So I'm going to be scraping the edges so that we can have a good combine. Scrape the edge of your pan. So now we'll be adding in our egg, just one. So we're going to mix everything together until everything is well combined. Adding in my vanilla. I'll continue to mix. Scrape my edges. Aside and add in all my dry ingredients. My dry ingredients, I have a cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm having quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm pouring it in. I have in here 16 gram of cornstarch. So I'm pouring everything in, and I'm going to be mixing them together. So all my dry ingredients is in. So I'm going to incorporate it into my mix gradually. Just gradually. Don't over mix your flour. It will make it chewy. So I'm going to add in whipped cream. Just 1 spoon of whipped cream. And I will whip it all together. I'll scrape up the edge the last time. And just so I'm going to be removing it out and shake it out of the mixer. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting it on our baking pan, and I'm putting in my piping tooth into my piping bag, and I'm going to be cutting. I hope we all know how to cut. We'll be cutting right here in the middle, not too at the edge. If it's not that it will come out, just give it a little space and cut. So this is how your piping bag should look like. So now we're going to be filling. We'll be filling in our butter. Still go one more. The next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this to pipe our shape. So I go this way, I squeeze it down and just go one round. Squeeze, then turn it and release your hand. Squeeze. So here, have a look at them. So now we are taking it in for baking, and we'll be baking it in my oven for 150 for just 15 minutes. Thank you for staying with us. God bless you. So we're ready for baking.